Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to send money from Canada to Bangladesh in 2025. Whether you're supporting family, paying for services, or handling investments, this guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. Let's get started. First off, why 2025? With new regulations and digital advancements, options like Wise, Western Union, and even bank transfers have become faster and more secure. The key is choosing the right method based on your needs, like speed, fees, or exchange rates. Step 1. Research your options. Popular services include Wise for low fees and real-time rates, Western Union for quick cash pickups, or your bank's international transfer service. In 2025, look out for apps like Remitly or newer platforms that might offer promotions for first-time users. Step 2. Compare costs. Exchange rates fluctuate, so use tools like Z.com to check current rates. Fees can vary. Wise often has the lowest, but verify with your bank for any hidden charges. Pro tip. Aim for services that use the mid-market rate to avoid extra markups. Step 3. Set up your transfer. Sign up or log in to your chosen service. You'll need your recipient's details in Bangladesh, like their bank account, IBAN, or a mobile wallet if available. Upload any required ID for security. It's crucial to protect against fraud. Step 4. Initiate and confirm. Enter the amount, review the details, and complete the payment using your Canadian bank account or credit card. Most transfers now take just minutes to a few hours, thanks to 2025's improved tech. Finally, some quick tips. Always double-check recipient info to avoid errors, monitor for cybersecurity, and consider timing your transfer when the Canadian dollar is strong against the Bangladeshi taka. There you have it. Sending money has never been easier. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.